Hi, welcome to NetVCC TV. This is a demonstration showing you how to install a hard drive in a Hikvision Turbo DVR. That's the 7208 HDI-SH. This is the SH/A model, which has the audio input, alarm inputs, in addition to the standard one. Turbo HD DVR, 8-channel DVR, Turbo HD. In this, I'm going to be installing a Western Digital 3TB hard drive, and I'm going to be installing that and showing you how to install it. Right, so there we go. Firstly, let's have a look inside. We get the software CD and the manual, remote controller. You have to turn it that way, you can see what's there. Right, you've got a remote controller, screws which we will need. I'm going to put that aside with the HD DVR. We will need the power cable for the hard drive, and the SATA cable as well. We don't need anything else from here. I'm just going to remove the hard drive itself, the DVR itself. Put the box aside for now. Right, and we have here the Turbo HD DVR. Looks exactly the same as a normal DVR, standard definition DVR, but these are HD to accept HD cameras, the Turbo HD cameras, TVI technology. This is the 8-channel 2468 8-channel DVR, one audio input, VGA, HDMI, USB, power connectors. This model also has alarm inputs and outputs there. So firstly, I'm going to take the lid off, 2 screws on either side and 2 on the back, so 6 screws altogether to remove. One, two, three, 4. Keep the screws safe, you don't want to lose these. There, 6 of them, and 2 screws on the back. One, and 2. Right, let's remove the lid and have a look. Put the lid safe out of the way, and let's have a look inside. You have the motherboard, the SATA connector for your hard drive, and the power connector to the hard drive will come from here, and a little fan there just to circulate the air. Right, so I'm going to unpack, take my hard drive screws out. You get 4 hard drive screws there because there's 1 bay inside the NVR. So there's the hard drive screws. Remove my hard drive. This occasion it's a 3TB Western Digital Purple. Right, I usually connect my cables up first before inserting it into the DVR, just to ensure I get a proper connector, a proper connection. So there's my power cable. So I just take that out of the bag. There we go. So this connector goes to the motherboard, just there with the 4 pins there, and the SATA connector connects to the hard drive. as such. Make sure you've got a secure connection. SATA cable. That's the data cable. You notice on all SATA connectors there is like a L shape, so to guide you, so you can't actually put it in, insert it the wrong way around. There you go. You'll hear a click as it goes in. There we go. Can't be pulled out, and that's quite secure. So now I have the power cable and the data cable connected to the hard drive. I'm going to put my 4 screws in, just a couple of threads on each one for now on the hard drive. There's actually 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 screw holes on the back of the hard drive, which you need to put the hard drive screws in. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, can you see that? I haven't threaded them right in, just a couple of turns just to hold the screws in place. There you go. So now back to the hard drive. I'm going to put the hard drive under the black cable and over and above the white cable, which is fixed to the bottom of the DVR. The screws, the 4 screws I've inserted will actually go into the 4 holes in the DVR and slide in. So there we go, and push it in. There we go. So you'll see on the back, you can actually see the 4 screws. Make sure it's pushed right in, and then tighten the screws up one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I haven't over tightened them yet. Make sure SATA is pushed right in the hard drive, and then tighten the screws up. I find it easier to hold the hard drive on one side whilst tightening the screws up. There we go. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, that's quite solidly. It's not moving. It's quite firmly. Right. So where do these cables go? So this one is the power to the hard drive. We'll connect to the 4 pins on the motherboard itself. The 4-pin white connection block there. It'll only go in one way. You get like a notch clip thing just there, so that will go facing the back of the DVR, and it will clip in, and you'll hear the clip. There we go. It's not easy to pull out now. That's quite secure. The other one is the HDMI, sorry, not the HDMI, the SATA port for the data from the DVR to the hard drive, which I'll put it under the black cable going from the motherboard to the front. That's the status cables. Right. And that will go, see that one there, that silver clip thing will be facing the back of the DVR, and you hear it click in. There we go. So that's clipped in, as you can see, just there. So that's your data, and that's your power. And then that's basically it. That's all you need to do. Just tidy these cables up. There we go. Don't need to worry too much about these. You can put a cable tie around these two if you wish to do so, which I will, just to give it Just tidy it up a little bit. As I like to keep a good airflow in the DVR. There we go. Just going to cut that cable tie. Be very careful not to cut any of the cables. There we go, and that's now ready for the lid to go on and initialize the hard drive. So have the lid. Remember your 6 screws, 2, 4, 6, 2 on each side, 2 on the back. And 2 on each side, and we have the hard drive fitted in a Hikvision Turbo 8-channel DVR, and the same thing applies to the 4-channel. I think my focus has gone out. There you go. It's come back in again. So exactly the same thing to a 4-channel and a 16-channel. 16-channel has 2 SATA ports, so you can put 2 hard drives. 4-channel, 8-channel Turbo DVR, HGI-SH. 8-channel and the 4-channel only has 1 SATA port. Keep losing focus. There you go. Remember, the first thing you must do when you go into the menu, when you connect it up to your monitor and you log in, the first thing you must do is initialize the hard drive, otherwise the DVR will not recognize the hard drive and it will not record anything. I hope you find that useful, and remember you can buy any of this from netviewcctv.co.uk, normally always in stock, including all the turbo HD cameras, and be sure to view my other videos. Thanks, bye.